I put some chicken wings. I put some chicken wings in the nevera for a couple of hours to let it just like marinate, que coja el gustito. They were marinating in the nevera for a couple of hours. I put, a mí me gusta sacarle estos pelitos y se me quedan algunos. Oh, no, se me pelito. Anyway, so I put adobo. I put ajo, onion, that onion powder. I put some meat. Let me see that.
What, this?
Yeah. No, the other one. I put some meat, some of this. I put black pepper. I put a little bit of chili powder. I put a little bit of paprika, sazon. That's all we put in there. Now I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. So I'm gonna spray some of this on there. I could have sworn I had el pote de olive, the olive spray. But anyway, put some of that in there. Okay, no se pegue. And my air fryer is bien chiquitita, so. And yes, all I eat is flats. I don't like the drumsticks. So I'm gonna put these. You guys, mira la mala madre. Like, yeah, I need to change it. I need to put it in a bigger, en un tiesto más grande, because he's gonna die on me, my baby. Anyways, so I'm gonna put this on here. So I put 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna put 2 cups of water. 2 cups of rice and put 3 cups of water. I don't like my rice to be like hard. I like it to be like a mogolladito. Like not too mushy, but I like it to be somewhat mushy. I'm gonna put a little bit of sea salt. You don't want to put too much, but you want to put enough. Gonna rinse off la tapa del arroz. You know what? I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Put a little bit of oil. A little bit of oil. I'm gonna move them. guys. Look at how they look. Let me taste one. I don't think you're done. I don't know why, but I want them a little crispy. Yeah, they're definitely done. They taste really good. I'm gonna put them in for a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I don't like these freaking. Oh my god. Ganito. Que se lo había quitado ya. I'm gonna eat this one. I like them. Alright, so I'm gonna take these out. Put a little bit of the teriyaki sauce on top of it. Make sure you mix it in real good. Oh, here it is, you guys. I am done on my chicken wings, teriyaki chicken wings. Y'all saw how I made the chicken wings, and these chicken wings came out so good. You guys have no idea, like so good. Look at that. Look at that. They came out so good. So good. It's crunchy where it needs to be crunchy, and it's soft where it needs to be soft. It's right on point. Look at it. It's all coming out the bone. The rice. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry, but the rice tastes so good. That you could eat it just like that. Or nothing. I'm about to serve my babies. My one baby, because the other ones are sleeping. I'll serve her. Then I'm gonna finish eating my food. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can get notified every time I post a video. I want to say thank you so much for everybody who's been subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay. I already passed the 200 subscribers. Beyond like proud of myself. So Nani, open the door. So yeah, keep supporting me, you guys. God bless you guys. Always keep God first. He's the only one that knows what you're going through. So yeah, let's start with my beef.